Hey, it's day 12 of our 30-day yoga trapeze challenge for weight loss and fitness. We're going to be doing an arm and core challenge today. So all you need is the straps, kind of like a TRX system. That's why I love the trapeze. It's so versatile. We're going to stand up tall right underneath the hanging point, place the hands into the middle height, middle straps, soft knees. We're going to bend the elbows wide, pull the thumbs in towards the rib cage. Then exhale. As I press down into the strap, I'm going to reach my arms out and then inhale back in. Exhale, press it out. Breathe in and out. Nice. 5 more. Nice and slow, pressing down and back. 4, 3, 2. On this last one, we're going to hold the arms wide, little press, pulsing back, back. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. Keep pressing down and then hold it back. Squeeze the back of the body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Nice. So now we're going to take the highest handles. We're going to lie back. So if my feet are under the hanging point, this will be a little bit more challenging. If you want extra challenge, you can walk so the shoulders are underneath the hanging point, or a little bit less of a challenge, walk the feet all the way back so you're not under the hanging point at all. Find your level. We're going to inhale to release our right arm, reach it out. And then exhale, we're going to pull up and in. So I'm bringing my right shoulder up to my left elbow, or up to my left wrist as I bend that elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale, curl, pull it up. Inhale, back. 5, 4, 3, 2. And then on this last one, hold it here, breathing 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand it up. Nice. Shake out those arms. I'll go ahead and demonstrate on the other side so you can see a new angle. So again, I'm grabbing onto both to start just so I can find where I want my hanging point to be. If you have to stop, don't stop. Go down a level. If it's not challenging enough, go up a level. So now I'm going to release the left arm. Exhale, curl, left shoulder to right wrist. Inhale, back and down. 6. That was 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. On this last one, we're going to keep that hold. Hold it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees to then come to center and stand up. Now we're going to take our lowest handles, placing the straps behind the back, walk the feet forward. So if you need to bend, set your hips on the ground, you might want to put a block or a low pillow or something underneath just to raise them up a little bit so you can create a little bit of a dip. Or we're going to keep the hips up and just dip the elbows down. Exhale, press down and up. 7, 6, 5. Try to keep those elbows pointing behind you. 4, 3, 2. And then on this last one, hold it. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll forward to stand up. Nice. Then we're going to take hold of the middle handles once more, facing forward. My feet are right underneath the hip hanging points. I'm going to exhale, reach out so my arms are straight, and then I'm using my arms to press down as I pull it back in. Inhale out. Exhale, press and pull it back. Inhale up. Exhale, press. For 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh. On this last one, hold it out here. Hold 4, 3. Keep pressing 2, 1. Bring it in. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to finish out with some chest presses or push-ups, whatever you want to call them. We're going to take the elbows wide. If you need to set your knees down, no problem. Just find a level that works for you. So we're going to inhale down, elbows come wide. Exhale, press. Inhale down, exhale, press. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it back. Nice. So you can repeat this video 1 or 2 more times to get your full 15-20 minute workout. And then I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to be doing legs and glute sculpting. Join the Facebook groups. Let's build our communities. We are literally almost halfway through this challenge, halfway through January. Leave a comment, question, feedback. I love you. Have a beautiful day, you wonderful light being.